Hello everyone, I'm Renuka Negi from Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you in our daily stocks news session. Today, major business news on 6 October 2021 are: oil builds on 7-year high amid global energy shortages. Oil extended its rally from a 7-year high a day after OPEC Plus decision to keep its supply agreement in place as energy price spikes, stoking concern that more petroleum products will be used in power generation. Oil inventories unexpectedly rise by 0.951 million barrels last week. US crude stockpiles unexpectedly rose last week, but concern over supply shortages remained front and center at a time when demand will continue to strengthen as economies reopen. Saudis cut oil price to Asia after OPEC Plus restrained fuels rally. Saudi Arabia reduced prices for all crudes destined to Asia, its biggest market, after OPEC Plus decision to keep slow production increases sent oil futures surging. State producer Saudi Aramco lowered its key Arab Light grade to Far East customers in November by 40 cents to $1.30 a barrel, above the average of Oman and Dubai crudes, the smallest premium since March, according to the documents seen by Bloomberg. The world's largest oil exporter also cut prices for nearly all grades headed for the US, the Mediterranean, and the Northwest Europe. US shares higher at close of trade, Dow Jones Industrial Average up 0.92%. US equities were higher at the close on Tuesday as gains in the technology, industrial, and financial sectors propelled shares higher. At the close in New York Stock Exchange, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.92%, while the S&P 500 index gained by 1.05% and the Nasdaq Composite Index climbed 1.25%. The biggest gainers of the session on the Dow Jones Industrial Average were Goldman Sachs Group Inc., which rose by 3.12% or 11.66 points to trade at 385.81 at the close. Microsoft Corporation added 2% or 5.65 points to end at 288.76. And United Health Group Incorporated was 1.66% or 6.42 points to 393.43 in late trade. So that's all for today's highlight. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.